exactly 14 inches off the ground to this buck. One more book, it's 1.5 inches, so that would make it 15.5 inches. 15.5 inches. Okay, I'm going to do the test at 17 inches on the small buckle. You see the buckle on a 2x4, and we're going to just quickly scan this area. Make sure there's nothing in the ground. Nothing. We're going to dig a hole. I'll get back to you when I'm 17 inches down now. There's a 17-inch deep hole right there. I don't think it'll hit it that deep, but I was challenged to bury it that deep and see. Look at the mosquitoes. Packing it in good. And well, here we go. 17-inch deep buckle. I'm actually getting it. "17 inches deep." Unbelievable. 17 inches deep. I only found it at 14. I really didn't think it would make this. Inch and a half off the, we've got a 2x4 over here. 2x4 is 1.5 inches. Still getting it. So 17, 18.5 inches. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Discriminant level 3, discriminant depth 5. Not bad. Turn that discriminant level back to 2. I know that's it because I buried it in this side of the hole, so unbelievable depth on this monster, even with some discrimination on. A quarter buried at 14 inches. Quarter buried at 14 inches. Turn up some volume here. Turn down the discrimination. I'm at 2 on the sensitivity. It's intermittent. Getting it. Ooh, these mosquitoes. I'm only at a sensitivity of 2 though. Turn the gain up. Just past 2 on the gain. Now the quarter comes through 14 inches deep. Gain just past 2, not to 3. Discriminant level, we'll go to 3.